Hey, put that down. What's wrong with you? Put that down. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? That is the dumbest you could have ever did. What's about be behind? Why would you do that? No, I was gonna put it right here. But why would you do that? I wasn't gonna shoot. You almost made me have to do something to you. Why would you do that? Shoot. I was gonna put it right here. But why would you do that? That makes no sense. All right. I was gonna just put it right here. But that makes no sense. Right. You got police standing here trying to resolve the issue, and then you go pull a pistol?
You understand that's a felony in itself in the presence of a police officer.
Why would you do
that?
Have
a gun in your hand is a felony, whether you're a CCW holder or not.
Okay.
It is a felony.
Why would you do that?
You're not making this situation any easier for anybody.
All right.
So why do you think you could do that? That's stupid.
Jesus Christ. All right. Well, I'll just keep it in there then.
It's too late for that now. We're going to take it, we're going to tag it in evidence, and we're going to charge you with it.
Oh my God. Jesus Christ. I'm about to yell at him, so hold on. All right?
I'll let him do his thing.
Understand this, right? You did an incredibly stupid thing. I just don't, like, with all the things we have going on in this country, for you to do that in front of 10 cops and multiple kids, multiple juveniles, for you to do that was showed a grave disregard for your life, for our job, and for these kids out here. All right, that was horrible what you did. Okay, because you almost forced me and many others to take your life, and that would not have been a cool thing when we came here to help you. We didn't come here to hurt you. We didn't come here to do that, but you almost forced us to do that, and that would have been so unfair, not only to you, not only to your family, but to us. I lost my hand. I'm sorry. Like you just, and today, to be honest with you, the only real reason you are being cut a break is because I really have compassion for your family, and I have compassion for your family because when we leave here, they need somebody to help protect them over these kids that are going to be here. And that's the only reason you're not going to jail, I promise you. That's the only reason you're not being charged with some felony of some sort. It's because I have some severe concerns and compassion for your family. So I'm half speechless, man. You should be crying. I'm gonna be honest with you. You should be. Because there are a whole bunch of things that almost happened here. A whole bunch of things. A whole bunch of things. And one of them started with you being shot. I'll just be flat out honest with you. For no reason. It didn't have to happen. Lord, have mercy. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord.